Hello everyone! In this video, we will be exploring Wepre Park in North Wales. Wepre Park is a 160 acres country park in Flintshire, Wales. The park is home to Ewloe Castle and contains a children's playground, outdoor gym, a football playing pitches, and visitor center. So come and join us and enjoy a nice walk while we explore the Wepre Park waterfalls and know the history of Ewloe Castle. Hello, Teddy! The Battle of Ewloe was a battle fought in July 1157 between a large army led by Henry II of England and an army led by Welsh Prince Owen Gwynedd. Henry II of England decided to invade Gwynedd to expand his empire into northern Wales. Because of the Welsh prince's brilliant and intelligent strategy, he defeated the English army, and the remainder of Henry's force retreated, with Henry narrowly avoiding being killed himself, having been rescued by Roger, the Earl of Hertford. So that's a little history of Ewloe Castle and the battle that was fought in the Ewloe Castle. So now let's take a look at the ruined castle. This is the castle. Akyat ulit. Ay! Hingal.
Well, look, there's more steps here though, you want to go?
Is it?
Yeah. Look, look.
Pam, get to the top first, go on.
I'm going for grocery.
Get to the top of the castle.
I want to go in. Can I go in?
Come on, let's go. Follow mummy. Careful.
You be careful.
I'm the king of the castle.
You're the king of the castle?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Say, I'm the king of the castle. You're the dirty rascal.
Give me a dance.
Because you're going to be the king.
Can you get your foot up?
Oh, well,
Well done.
Hold on to the rock.
Oh my goodness, you're the king of the castle.
Go fast now.
I'm the dirty dog.
What?
Look, I'm the king of the castle.
Purple mushroom.
Oh, mate's gone down. People, mate.
Yeah.
Don't go on there, mate. That's it.